Hirap. Oh my God, Kakashi! Thank you so much. Ayan na, nagsimula na yung bunganga ko. Thank you! Uy, please, wag lang vlog. Ampong, Parikoy, Sir Jazz, thank you so much. Thank you, Janlyn, Mare. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Manalo matalo, guys. Ako pa rin ang panalo sa inyo. Walang problema yan. It's a birthday picky. Ayan. Hindi mag-alala. I'm so blessed na nandito kayo. And na-appreciate ko yan. Abigail, Kuya Pintor, thank you so much. Sis Bella, Sir Jazz. Sis Bella, thank you so much. Celine, thank you, Celine. Celine Dion, ikaw ba yan? Edeline, VIP Bell, thank you. Hindi ko mabasa lahat ng pangalan. Ito, Hershey. Thank you. Legalize, pare, thank you. Thank you. Ate Pen, thank you so much, Ate Pen. Ampong, pare, thank you, Dennis. Ampong, Dennis. Ate Pen, thank you. Alukar, thank you so much. Hindi lumabas yung times 2, guys. Wala pa, no? O baka... Thank you. Yung bibig ko, di umano. Thank you, Belly, Akira, Sisi, thank you so much. Pamahal kayo dyan, guys. Thank you so much. Yung mga gifters natin, yung mga nanonood, ayan, mahalin nyo habang nanonood kayo, Kakashi. Oy, thank you. Tita, Poy, July, wow! Ano yan? Yun yung ulo na mahaba. Ano yun? Wow! Oy, dito ka. Kasi yung thank you. Yung chumi-chumi, ba't hindi umalik dito sa akin? Bunso, Casey, thank you. Pare ko, ulo ng giraffe. Sino nagpa-giraffe? Wait lang, mamaya ko na nga lang yung thank you. Thank you. I love you too, thank you. Wow! Sino siya? Bunso, Casey, thank you. Tawang-tawa tong mga to. Sir Just, thank you. Oh my God. Wow! Thank you. Ay, kinakabahan ako. Kaya na ako kinakabahan. Marinay. Hindi ko mabasa yung pangalan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yung building na malaki, yun na yun. Thank you. Dad, Roger, thank you. Ana. Thank you. Lumalaban yung mata ko. Parang kailangan ko ng salamin, guys. Wait lang. Kung kailan seconds na lang no? Ayan, para malinaw na. Sis Bella, thank you so much. 420, Ana Umke, thank you. Thank you so much. Chico. Baby! Grabe! Oh my God! Oh my God, thank you! Sarap talagang isigaw, guys. Kinakabahan ko lang. Kalma lang. Oh my gosh. Miss Bella, thank you. Ginagutom na ako lalo. Tita Foye, thank you so much. Tita Foye. Oh my God. Seconds na lang. Ayan na. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wait lang. Nagpa-music kasi ako. Wait lang. Thank you. Super grabe. Grabe kayo. Thank you. Ate, wait lang. Thank you. Tapusin lang natin yan, ate.
Mami,
ate, ayun.
thank you. Gigi Second, thank you.
Thank you.
Mami Spicy.
Yes.
Ang
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Uncle.
Nicole, thank you, Nicole. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Grabe kayo, thank you. Hindi ko na-expect yun. Grabe. Aabot siya na. Miss Bella, thank you. Thank you, thank you. Grabe kayo, thank you. Uy, wait lang, Bitma. Baka iba yung mapindot ko. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, everyone. Hindi ko na may isa-isa, grabe. Pero sino talaga yung nagpa-girap? Sasak ko sa ulo. Hindi ko nakita pero titingnan ko sa ano. Grabe. Eh, diyan nagpa-building ng ano. Sino kaya yun? Si Miss Pepe. Si Kuya July. Pag-usapan kasi namin yung mahaba o yung ulo eh. Tita, thank you so much, Tita Fui. And Kuya Mapagmahal, Sir Derek Ven, Miss Bella, Ate Pen. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Pakain na talaga ako ng marami nito maya-maya, guys. Oh, Sean, thank you. Grabe. Miss Evelyn! Nakakako si Miss Evelyn! Ang Team FSG, thank you so much! Pagpunta. Yes, no problem guys. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Importante ang mahalaga. Nandito kayo. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wait lang. Ayan, tapusin na natin guys. And then magre-live ba ako sagdali, no? Thank you so much, Ate Pepe. Thank you so much. Nasak din ako dun ano yung binigay mamaya. Ano ko yun. Guys, naka-screen record ba kayo? Sino yung mga naka-screenshot sa message nyo sa akin, guys? Ang bulis ang magsalita eh, no? Thank you, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Pamahal.